think Auckland in New Zealand is worth visiting? Auckland is the capital of New Zealand, known for its stunning natural surroundings and its hair-raising attractions. This is a city that has a bright, welcoming vibe that will make you fall in love with it. There are a lot of amazing places to visit in Auckland, no matter what you like to do. If you're looking to visit some interesting places in Auckland, we've compiled a list of interesting places that you would love to visit. Here is the list of the interesting places. Number 1. Auckland Sky Tower. This building is the tallest in New Zealand, which makes it the best spot to get astounding perspectives on the city. Auckland Sky Tower is 328 meters tall and the ideal spot for taking wonderful pictures. Aside from taking photos, you can walk the skywalk stage around the pergola of the pinnacle, which is 192 meters high. Number 2. Auckland Art Gallery. This exhibition is perhaps the most underestimated spot to visit in Auckland. And why would that be? No idea. However, this place has become one of the most popular and impressive points of interest in Auckland. And what can you do here to make it fun and lively? This is a beautiful, peaceful spot to visit and enjoy Auckland's specialty scene. With more than 15,000 pieces of artwork on display, you won't even know the perfect choice to make. Just make sure that you visit the main New Zealand collection, located on the main floor. This is the place where you'll track down works by Pacific Island and Maori artists, past and present. Number 3. Auckland War Memorial. Looking forward to learning more about Auckland's history? Don't look further than the Auckland War Memorial. This war commemoration was first built to recall the troopers killed in World War I, yet it has changed into a fascinating community for vacationers and voyagers. You'll require more time to explore this exhibition center, as it contains a few unique parts. Go to the main Maori galleries first. You'll experience a range of Maori artworks of art going back similar to the 12th century. Ensure you visit the principal floor as well, where you'll track down a natural history collection. Number 4. Green Bay Street Food. If you are searching for modest heavenly food varieties, there is no other place better than Green Bay Street Food. This street food offers the most delicious food in the city with a conscience. Apportion the city's best food trucks and stalls flaunt their wares here, so fill your belly and support a good cause at the same time. Number 5. One Tree Hill. One Tree Hill is one of the best outdoor places to visit in Auckland and is also regarded as the symbol of the city. This hill is a volcanic cone that's considered to be the symbol of Auckland by many of its inhabitants. Number 6. Browns Island. Browns Island is situated in the middle of Auckland Harbour. However, this small island is regularly disregarded. This island is a part of the Auckland volcanic field that once held bustling villages covered with ruins from this distant past. There's an ocean on the north side of the island where you can pull in near the shore. When you get there, just spend your time exploring the ruins that dot the island. Also, make sure you climb to the top of the hill, where you can look down and see the 3 volcanic cones on the slopes. Number 7. Muriwai Gannet Colony. Muriwai is a dazzling dark sand ocean side that looks extraordinarily wonderful in photographs. If you so much like animals, you really want to make an outing to this area. Muriwai Gannet Colony is situated on the west bank of New Zealand, just an hour from Auckland. This bird province makes the ideal road trip from the city. One of the things that will flabbergast you in this space is how fantastic it is. The soaring cliffs against the thundering sea are a sight that you can't afford to miss. The coast is just an hour from the city, so when you travel to Auckland, ensure you take a day trip to see this wild and wonderful landscape. Number 8. Parnell. This is the oldest rural area in Auckland and is now one of the most attractive spots. So if you are looking to spend some cash, Parnell is perfect for you. This rural area is fixed with apparently vast shops that offer merchandise to fulfill any need or want. If you're searching for outstanding, designer clothing, jewelry, or artwork, you'll definitely find them in Parnell. Number 9. The Street Food Collective. The Street Food Collective is a must-visit for foodies and one of the best places to eat in Auckland at the cheapest prices. This awesome place is located in the suburb of Ponsonby, which is a permanent food truck space. If you are looking for any kind of food, you'll definitely find it here. The Street Food Collective is open 7 days a week from 5 to 10 p.m. and provides some of the best food truck vendors in the city. Make sure you're hungry and come very early so that you can enjoy some great food before the crowds get there. Number 10. La Cigale French Markets. And here comes the unbeatable market in the city of Auckland. Every year, this market shows people why it's the number one interesting place to visit in Auckland. This French-themed market offers everything from rich croissants to fish paella. La Cigale is no doubt the best market in the city, and it's one of the most famous tourist spots in Auckland also. Just try the delightful and bewildering range of French food sauces including matured cheeses, smoked salmon, cream eclairs, croissants, and fish paella. The business sectors are open from 8 a.m. and they are unimaginably popular, so ensure you're there right on time, so you don't miss out on any of the treats. Now that you've known about the interesting places to visit in Auckland, would you love to visit anytime soon? If yes, let us know in the comment section below. That's what we have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below your thoughts, give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more updates.